Hi everyone, welcome back to Information System in Global Business Today topic. So for today, we will continue for the second subtopic, Information System Perspective. The first one we will look, what is an information system? Information system is technically as a set of interrelated components that collect or retrieve, process, store and distribute information to support decision making and control in organization. In addition to support the decision making, coordination and control, information system may also help the managers and workers to analyze the problem, visualize the complex subjects, and create the new product. So what is IT? IT consists of hardware and software that a firm need to use to achieve business objective. So what is data? Data is a stream of raw fact representing the event in occurring in organizations or the physical environment before they have been organized and arranged into a form that people can understand and use. And then what is information? Information that have been shaped into a form that is meaningful and useful to human beings. So there are activities in an information system that produce the information. The first one we have input. Input is to capture and collect the raw data from within the organization or from external environment. And then what is processing is to convert the raw input into a meaningful form. What is output? Output is to transfer the processed information to people who will use it or to other activities which it will be used. And the feedback is an output that is returned to appropriate members of organization to help in evaluating or correct the input stage. So we have this cycle. So we have IPO, input, process, output, and also we have the feedback. The next one, although the computer-based information system use computer technology to process the raw data into meaningful information, there is a sharp distinction between computer and computer program on the other hand, and information system on the other. So computer and related software program is a technical foundation, the tools and materials of the modern information system. And computer will provide the equipment for storing and process the information system. For example, we have house as an analogy. So when we built a house, we use the nail, hammer, and wood, but they do not make a house. So we must have a design, the architecture, the landscaping, the setting to come out with the creation of the features of the house. So to complete the house. So same goes to the information system. So we need some tools to make it to support our information system. The next one we have dimensions of information system. We have information system literacy, computer literacy, and management information system. Information system literacy is understanding of the management and organizational dimensions of system as well as the technical dimensions of the system. And computer literacy is to focus primarily on knowledge of IT, and management information system is we try to achieve this broader information system literacy. So we deals with the behavioral issues as well as the technical issues. Involve the development, use and impact of information system used by the managers and employees in the firm. And then the next one, when we are using the information system, effectively require an understanding of these three items: the organization, management, and the information technology in shaping the system. So the information system creates the value for the firm as an organizational and management solution to challenges posed by the environment. So the first one, we have organization. In organization, they must have the structure composed of the different levels and specialties. So this structure must have the authority and responsibility, and we are organized as a hierarchy or in the pyramid structure. So they have the upper level and lower level. So the upper level involve the managerial, professional, and technical employees. Lower level involve the operational personnel. So from this pyramid, so senior and middle management, we know as the upper level. Operational management is the lower level. So senior management, what is the function of the senior management? They make range strategic decisions as well as to ensure the financial performance. And middle management will carry out the program and plans of senior management. And the operational management responsible for monitoring the daily activities for the business. So the knowledge workers will design product and services and create the new knowledge for the firm. So what the function of the data workers? They assist with the scheduling and communications at all levels of the firm, and production and service workers will produce the product and deliver it. Okay, so in the organization, they have 4 separation of business function. We have sales and marketing, manufacturing and production, finance and accounting, and human resource. Okay, so in organization, we also apply the unique business process and business culture. And in any organization, they must have the organizational politics. Okay, the second one, we have the management. Okay, to make sense out, what is the management function? To make sense out of the many situations faced by the organizations, they make the decision and formulate the action plans to solve the problems in organization. So the managers will perceive the challenges, set the strategy for responding to those challenges, and allocate the human and financial resources to coordinate the work and achieve the success. And usually in management, they exercise the responsible leadership. And the managers also will act either they create a new product and services, or they recreate the organization. Okay, the next one we have the information technology. Okay, so if information technology involve everything related with the technology. The first one we have the computer hardware. The second one we have computer software, data management technology, and networking and telecommunication technology. Okay, computer hardware such as involved with the mouse, with the keyboard, the speaker, the computer itself. Okay, and then the software is about how they want to coordinate the computer hardware components in information system. They support with the software. For example, they have the Microsoft Excel, the operating system. Okay, and then data management technology, we consist of the software govern the organization of data on physical storage media. Okay, such as where they will store all the data involved for the system. And networking and telecommunication technology is something that we have the communication from one physical location to another. Okay, so we can use the internet. Okay, internet is known as global network of networks. Okay, and then they are also in the organization, they always apply the intranet, the internal corporate network. Okay, and then they also have the extranet, the private intranet, extended to authorized users outside the organizations, usually about our suppliers. Okay, and then they supported with the www, World Wide Web. Okay, and the information technology also, they have the IT infrastructure, and the IT infrastructure is to provide the platform on the that system is built on. Okay, the next one we have business perspective on information system. Okay, information system is instrument for creating the value. Okay, when you invest in IT, you should result you will increase the productivity, you will increase the revenue, and the superior long-term strategic positioning. Okay, and then when you have the information system, so you have the business information value chain. Okay, so the value of information system determined in part by extent to which it leads to better decisions, greater efficiency, and higher profits. So the business perspective, okay, they call the attention to organizational and managerial nature of information system. So invest in IT does not guarantee good return. Okay, good return. There is considerable variation in the return firms receive from system investment. Okay, so the factor involved, okay, either they adopt the right business model or they invest in complementary asset. Okay, after this we will look about the complementary asset, but now we will look about the business information value chain. Okay, so from this diagram, Okay, from whatever we have in the business perspective, information system is a part of a series of value-adding activities for acquiring, transforming, distributing. Okay, the information that managers can use to improve the decision making, enhance the organizational performance, and ultimately increase the firm profitability here. Okay. Okay, and then from the business perspective also, they already mentioned about the investing in complementary asset. So what is complementary asset? Okay, so uh, the awareness, okay, the awareness of the organizational and managerial dimensions of information system can help to understand why some firm achieve better result from their information system compared to others. Okay, so by investing does not guarantee good return. Why it happened? Okay, so the answer lies in the concept of complementary asset. They must support with the complementary asset. So IT investment alone cannot make the organizations and the managers more effective unless they are accompanied by the supporting value. Okay, by the supporting value, the structure and also the behavior pattern. Okay, in organizations and other complementary asset. Okay, so the business need. Okay, the business need to the business actually, okay, the business need to change how they do the business before they can really reap the advantages of new information technologies. So what is complementary asset? We already heard about complementary asset, right? So the complementary asset is an asset required to derive value from a primary investment. So the firm must support, okay, the technology investment with investment in complementary asset that must receive the superior return. So the example, okay, is invest in technology and the people to make it work properly. Either you outsource from other companies, or you hire the employees, or you make a team to provide to come out with a new technology or the new information system. Okay, there are major complementary investment that firm need to realize the value from their IT investment. So the first one, we have organizational asset. Okay, the second one, we have managerial asset, and the last one, we have social asset. Okay, so example of organizational asset is appropriate business model and efficient business process. And the example of the managerial asset, we have the incentive, okay, for the management innovation and teamwork, and also a collaborative work environment. And the last one, we have the example of social asset. For example, we apply the internet and telco infrastructure, and also we follow the technology standard. All right. So that's all for the second subtopic, and I will see you later for the last subtopic for the topic 1. Thanks for watching, everyone. Thank you.